knows who it is. Painting all damn day. I'm finally fucking done. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can go to sleep peacefully. Hey guys. So, it's been a month since I last uploaded because I moved and I'm trying to get the house together. So I don't even want to show you what my room looks like. You could just see from today I did laundry and just you could see like right here. You should already know that my room is in shambles right now. So yeah, the only thing that I've done so far to the room is paint. So just the gray. So that's gonna be like my accent wall color, and then the rest of the room will be white. So that pink you see back there, it's gonna be gone by this weekend. I finished painting yesterday. I'm not a professional, but my friend said it looked professional, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm going to have a professional paint the ceiling because I don't trust myself to do that. I have carpet, so you know, I don't trust myself to do that. So that is going to be professionally done by a contractor. That's why I've been MIA. I didn't know if I wanted to vlog the whole thing, and I decided that for safety reasons, I am not going to be vlogging everything that I'm going to be doing in the house because I feel like it'll be like too much information, like as far as like the area that I live in and stuff. So because this area, like a lot of the houses are pretty much built the same because it's like a community. So like this whole town pretty much has the same layout, so to be like easy to know like what area I live in, and I found that to be weird. So I'm not gonna vlog everything. I did vlog bits and pieces, so I'll just chop them up and put them in this video so that you can see what the before of the room looked like to what it looks like now. Again, excuse the mess, don't come for me. I moved, I don't have all my furniture yet, okay? So don't be coming for me in the comments. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Give you guys like a little update. Like, I did not abandon my YouTube again. I just I've been really busy with work, and then I had a vacation that I went on, and then I had my birthday that just passed, and it's a lot. It's a lot. Going back and forth to York, spent some time with my best friend and my goddaughter in Pennsylvania. It's a lot. So I am going to be updating you guys periodically. I don't even know what to title this, but I'll figure it out. And yeah, so enjoy the little bit of content that I put out until I have like my little vanity areas set up. I don't even know why I turned the camera because it's a mess over there. That part's still dry. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.